Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a Word document file through Messenger using your computer. Let's get started. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So, let's get started. First of all, open up your web browser if you don't have the Messenger app on your PC. On the other hand, if you have the app, then it's fine. So you have to open the app or you have to open your browser and then type on the address bar messenger.com to get the app interface. So if I type here messenger.com and if I log in with my username and password, I will see the exact interface of my Messenger app. On the other hand, if you download the app, then you will see the app interface as a default. So here you can see that this is the app interface, and now you have to select the conversation whom you want to send the file. For example, I'm going to click on this search button and I'm just choosing this profile, or you can search here by typing that name. I'm typing here demo, and then you will see an interface like this. So I'm clicking on this button, and here I'm going to choose it, click on this downloads, and here is the docx file. So here you can see that the file format is docx. I'm going to click on this open button. And now you can see that a Word file has been sent to that person. And that's it. Now you know how to send a Word document file on Messenger. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.